Whoa, guys, this is so cool. It's clear. What is up, guys? Welcome back to this, and I'm Ameerah. Alright, guys, today I am doing Alright, guys, today I am testing out a few recipes on how to make DIY instant clear slime. Yeah, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but my favorite slime is clear slime. I just love it so much. I don't know about you guys, but I really hate waiting for my slime to clear up. It takes so long, especially when it's thick Elmer's glue. So I decided, what if we did a testing on different instant clear glue slime recipes? Yeah. So that's what we did today. And today's like button challenge is gonna be try to buzz the like button with your nose. And yeah, let's just go straight on to the video. Yo. So the first method, guys, is from Macaroon, and she's very popular, so you probably know her. But anyways, first you said to get some saline solution or contact lens solution and put it in a bowl. And yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I have it right here, and I want to open it from like the cap instead of squirting it in there. Hey, yeah. There we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour that in there. That's so much contact lens solution, it's so weird. Okay, and then she said to add some baking soda, and guys, if you don't know this, you can actually activate slime with contact lens solution and baking soda, so yeah, that's what this is about. Okay, so just basically put like the same amount of baking soda you would usually put, so I'm just gonna put like that one. And we mix. The thing I like about baking soda, guys, is that it doesn't take a very long time to dissolve because it's very thin. Okay, and now it is time for the instant slime part. Instant clear slime. Okay, so I got some Elmer's clear glue because this one is the one that usually takes like the longest to clear up, so I'm gonna use this one. Pour some in there. It's like a pretty good amount. Okay, and then you guys can't even see it, but it's there. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of stir around a little bit. That's like, you just stir it a little bit, I think, and then you kind of just like let it sit there for a little bit. I'm gonna guess so like the borax can kind of like just shove itself in there. I don't know, but anyways, so I'm just gonna mix it a little bit like this, and you also are gonna kind of want to try and like not fold it and not take your fork out of the bowl like this, because then that like makes more bubbles. So yeah, just keep on mixing it, and yeah. Ooh, it's actually pretty slimy. Okay guys, so it's going good so far, I think. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let this sit here for like 2 to 5 minutes, and we're gonna get back on this and let's see how it turns out. So yeah.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I waited about 3 minutes and I'm very excited to see how this is gonna turn out. Okay, so it seems pretty good. Let's see. Let's pick it up. Oh, okay. Okay, so, oh no, 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 ugh. Okay, so basically this kind of just like made a layer over the slime, and now it's kind of just like a glob of glue. So whenever I kind of poke it, it just becomes glue again. So I'm just gonna kind of knead it like that. Hopefully that works. I mean, obviously there is some bubbles in it, but that's okay. Okay, I did exactly what she said to do, and it's not working. Well, I guess it's semi-working. Okay, so this is kind of actually working, guys. All right, look at that. All right, okay, so it's not completely clear, guys, but it's pretty clear. I mean, look at that. Look, that's pretty cool. And it's actually really thick. I don't know why, but it's really thick. Another thing, guys, if you have like, if it's still pretty sticky, you can like just put a little bit of activator on your fingers and just like poke it like that, and it literally works just as well. Okay, so this one I like a lot. It actually did a pretty good job at like, you know, making instant clear slime. A lot of times people just like make globs. I see, like I watched so many video guys, and people are just like put the slime in there, and then after they take it, it's just like this big slippery glob, and it just doesn't look very satisfying. But this one's actually pretty good. It is getting bubbles already, but that's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna make one more batch of this, and it's actually gonna be bigger so that I can compare it to the other methods. So let's just do that really quick. Okay, so I have my activator, and I'm gonna put a little bit more this time. I think that's a pretty good amount, and let's just mix. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, guys. So it is still a bit kind of like, you know, unactivated. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try and like knead it a little bit, just like I did with the first one. So yeah. Okay, so I think it is almost there, guys. Whoa, guys, this is so cool. It's clear. Oh my god, this is so cool, guys. Look, I think it does need a little bit of time to kind of like dry out because it has a bunch of activator on it, but like literally, guys, it's legit clear. Okay, that is so cool. I don't want to flip it that much anymore, fold it, I mean. I'm just so amazed at this, guys. It's clear. So the next one, guys, is from Monster Kids, and this one actually seems like the one it will work the best and the most and stuff. So I'm really excited for this one, and let's start it. Okay. So first, you're supposed to get your glue. So I'm gonna try and make a little bit more than last time. Okay, so that's good. And then add a little bit of water, and I have no idea why, but I don't know. So just add some water and then mix it, and make sure you try not put too much bubbles. I was about to like put a bunch of bubbles, but let's just keep going. I mixed it all and it doesn't have a lot of bubbles, so that's good. And the next thing, guys, is to add a little bit of contact lens solution. I honestly have no idea why they use contact lens solution for instant clear slimes. Okay, so I think that's good. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix that. Okay, so that's good, I think. The next step, guys, is to get a bowl of water or cup, whatever you want. It says to heat it up. I don't know if it's just so that the baking soda can melt faster or if it's actually for the slime, but I heated it up anyways. And then you add a little bit of baking soda, so I'm just gonna put like that much in there. That's a pretty good amount. I feel like it needs a little bit more. That should be good. Okay. Okay, and the last step, guys, well actually no, it's like one of the last steps, I guess, is to pour your glue mixture into the baking soda. So yeah, I'm excited, guys. What do you think is gonna happen? Okay, so let's just pour that into there. Ooh, that's so weird. That's just so weird, but it seems like it'll work.
12 seconds later.
What happened to my glue? What the heck? Guys! What the heck? My glue just like disappeared. It did not clump up at all. It just disappeared in the water. Okay, so we're gonna do a second attempt, guys, and I'm actually really sad because I used to love my Elmer's clear glue, and I can't stand using my Elmer's clear glue. It just makes me sad, especially since I had to just throw it in the drain. But anyways, take two. We're gonna try to see it. Okay. First, we got some Elmer's glue, and then I'm gonna try and add a little bit less water this time. I feel like that was a problem. And then I'm gonna add some saline solution, and I'm actually gonna add a little bit more this time because I feel like that was also a problem, but maybe not, but I think it was. Now I got the baking soda water, and I feel like another reason why I melted it was because of the water was hot. Maybe I need to let it cool down a little bit, but anyways, I heated it up again, and I'm just gonna let it cool down this time. And I'm also gonna put some more baking soda than last time. So I'm gonna put like 3 scoops. Okay, well it's still kind of hot, but I'm just gonna go ahead and add the glue in there, and then I'm gonna let it cool down again. So, okay, so guys, are you ready? Maybe I should add a little bit of glue this time just to check. Is it making it this time? Okay, it's still melting. Okay, I'm gonna let this water cool down for a little bit because I feel like it's just gonna melt the slime. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys. Okay, I'm gonna add some more baking soda to this, guys, because I feel like it still doesn't have enough. So we're gonna add some more and a little bit more. Okay, this has to work, guys, because I put so much in here. Okay, guys, and now it is time to add the slime into there, or the glue actually. Okay. Will this work, guys? Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, it seems like it's working. I'm gonna add the whole thing. This time, you're just supposed to kind of just let it sit there. I don't think you're supposed to really mix it. Ooh, it's globbing up. Okay, so I don't think you're really supposed to let it, like, you're not supposed to mix it or anything. So, yeah. Okay, let's just go ahead and let this sit here for a little bit, and I'll check back with you guys once this is like done. Okay, guys, so I left this here for a little bit, and now we're gonna go ahead and touch it. So I actually did flatten it out too, just to see, and it seems like it's pretty activated. So the last step, guys, is to actually drain out all of the leftover baking soda water and put it in a different bowl, and then your slime should be Gucci. Okay, so we're just gonna put that in there. Ooh, guys, look at it. Oh my god. Whoa. Guys, this is so cool. Oh my god, guys, look at this. It is completely clear. I feel like this one is a little bit better than the other one. It is a little bit more tricky. I will admit, I did have a bad time at this, but it turned out pretty good. Pretty good after all. Okay, I let it dry for a little bit, guys, and it seems pretty good. It is a little bit jiggly though, which I don't really like that much, but whatever. As you can tell, it's pretty clear. It is a bit foggy. I have absolutely no idea why, but I think it's just because there's a little bit of bubbles and there's small bubbles. If you guys don't like it, if you want it to be more clear, this is actually pretty good still, because you can actually just like leave it overnight and it will clear up instead of like a whole week or like 2 days, you know? So yeah, okay. Anyway, so let's just go ahead and start poking it. Okay, well, I don't want to poke it too much, guys, because I want to kind of compare it to the other ones. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it like this for now, and let's get on to the next strategy. So this next one, guys, is the last one, unfortunately. But anyways, credit to WT Freaky. Okay, so first just put some borax, some normal borax. I believe it's not too strong, not too weak, just normal borax, which is 1 cup of water with 1 teaspoon of borax. Next thing is to pour the glue into there. So just pour your glue into there. Okay, so I'm just trying to kind of cover that because it's not being covered. And then you're just gonna go ahead and let that sit for like 5 minutes, he said, I think. So we're gonna go ahead and let it sit again. Okay, guys, it's been like 10 minutes and we're gonna see how it's gonna turn out. Oh yeah, and then so he said to drain out the borax. We're gonna drain out the borax. What is that? Okay, guys. Oh no. This looks like a brain. What the heck? Okay, so this literally looks like a brain, guys. Look at that. It is clear though. It is clear, but this looks terrible. Like on the video, how he did it, like when he did it, it looks really cool. Like it looked like it would work, like really good. But like, I honestly don't know what this is. This is terrible. Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and try this one more time. I'm gonna put halfway borax and then I'm gonna put half water so I can kind of just like dilute the borax a little bit. So I feel like that's the problem. So we're gonna put some borax and then some water. We're gonna do that much. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of cover that up a little bit. Okay, so I waited and that's great. That's really great. Okay, wait, we're supposed to, you know what, we're not even gonna drain it. There's no point. Okay, so it feels like brains again, but it's clear. It's actually pretty cool. I like it. I mean, it's pretty clear. I mean, look at it. And it's actually like really clear, like it's not foggy at all. But it's still like really hard and just like overall terrible. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try this one last time, guys, and I'm gonna really water down the borax. And yeah, okay, let me do that. Okay, so I'm putting some more water in here, and this is gonna be like pretty watered down. It's like 1/4, a quarter of borax now, basically. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for about 3 minutes, and I'll get back to you guys after. Okay, so I waited about like 3 minutes, and we're gonna go ahead and see. It seems like it's better. It's definitely better. Okay, guys, so here it is. I let it dry for a while. As you can see, it looks like there's nothing, but you can see that there's a little bit of bubbles. But anyways, I let it dry, and let's see. Okay, so it's not too bad, but there is still a lot of glue. Whoa. That's not good. That's terrible, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't like it. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. Okay, guys, we are all done with all 3 strategies. They took a little long, I know. Anyway, so let's start comparing them and see what happens and see basically, well, not what happens, but let's just see which one's the best one. Okay, so here they are, guys. As you can tell, pretty clear. Okay, so this first one, I believe, was the first one. So here it is. It's pretty clear, right? It's kind of like over borax a little bit, but it's still pretty good. And it does have a little bit of bubbles, but if you just like leave it for like a night, it'll literally be completely fine. So we're just gonna do some ASMR now, guys. This one actually is the second one, I believe. So this one isn't the first one. This one is the thinner one that I thought was gonna work the best, but it actually didn't even work that well. Well, it did, I think. But I feel like it just be like the same if you didn't add the water. Next one is the first one, and this one was the one by Macaron. This one's definitely a lot thicker, which I like a lot more. And it looks a little bit like less activated. It is a little bit foggier because I think I was playing with it more, but anyways. Whoa, this one's a lot better, guys. Okay, so I like that one. Actually, this is my favorite now. I like this one a lot. This one was pretty good. And then this one is the last one. This one is the one that didn't work out so well. It's still pretty sticky and it's not really clear because I was like trying to knead it. But I don't know, guys. I don't know if I did it wrong. Maybe I was supposed to leave it in there for a little bit longer. But like, it's not good for me. In my opinion, I don't like it. Okay, guys, so the last thing we're gonna do is just a slime smoothie. So I'm gonna go ahead and dye these, and we're gonna do a slime smoothie. Oh guys, that looks so pretty. And that is it guys, thank you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!